Okay, for this week, our reading packet, again, it's still about weather and climate, but this time we're going to talk about tornadoes, okay? We're going to do pages 1 through 6 today. We're going to read the articles and we're going to highlight. You might want to get a highlighter out. And we'll answer the questions on the back. All right? So the first one, it says protecting against tornadoes. Okay? That's what a tornado looks like. It's not a hurricane. A hurricane forms over water. A tornado forms over land. Okay? It looks like a funnel. Okay? And it spins. Says, did you know that tornadoes can come from thunderstorms? Yes. Thunderclouds build up when cool, dry air runs into warm, wet air. Okay. If enough cool air runs into warm air, clouds can start to gain energy and power. A tornado can result from this energy. A tornado is a spinning column. See the picture? It's a column, a spinning column created by the thunderstorm's strong winds, and they're turning round, 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 and round. The winds are so strong that they can pick up water, dust, and scraps. A tornado can spin over 200 miles per hour, okay, which means that it has a lot of force. 200 miles per hour, it's like the racing cars that you see on TV, NASCAR. Okay, they just got done doing the what they call the Daytona 500. Okay, that's that fast. So go ahead and highlight all of this. That's important. And go to page 2. Here's another picture of what a tornado looks like. Okay. So you see the funnel here, right? And all this it's the winds are so strong that this is spinning. Okay. So it's tornadoes connect the ground to the thunderstorm clouds and the sky. That's important. The ground that the tornado touches is a dangerous place to be. Tornadoes can pick up people, cars, trucks, and houses. Sometimes tornadoes can ruin whole towns. In the United States, tornadoes in Tornado Alley, okay, that's the area, are often hit hard by tornadoes. Tornado Alley is the nickname for Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska because these states are most frequently hit by tornadoes. So I just want you to see, here's a map of what they call Tornado Alley, okay? So in the article it said Tornado Alley is a nickname for Texas, which is right here, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Nebraska. So in this area, okay, tornadoes hit these areas a lot more frequently. That's why it's called Tornado Alley. Okay. Obviously, do we have tornadoes in California? No, we don't see that in that area. Okay, this orange area right here is what they call Tornado Alley. Okay, some of the things that we have to worry about, earthquakes. All right. All right, let's continue. So here's a picture. Mine's in color. Okay, here, look at the damage that a tornado can cause. Okay, and look at that. It says images of the aftermath of a tornado. So this is what a tornado leaves behind. It says the deadliest tornado to hit the United States was called the Tri-State Tornado. Anybody know what tri means? What? Somebody just said it. 3. The tornado blasted through 3 states. That's why it's called a tri-state tornado or a tricycle. Okay, something that has 3 in it. Okay, I didn't highlight that, by the way, so don't do that. So it's 3 states. Okay, and traveled for more than 300 miles. 695 people were killed during this tornado, which occurred on March 18th, 1925. Another deadly tornado swept through Gainesville, Georgia, and it is known as the Gainesville tornado. 2 different storms collided to cause this tornado. It killed 203 people in its path. Over 750 homes were destroyed. Not a good thing to be in the in the path of a tornado. Okay, go on to the next page. And look, here's another picture. Those trees that you see, they probably had leaves at one point. A tornado takes everything. Says a photograph of a home destroyed from a tornado. It says, even though tornadoes have a lot of force, there are ways to protect your home. So there are some ways to protect your home. One way is to set up wind-proof shutters and doors. Some shutters and doors are designed to hold up against strong winds. Another way is to clip your roof down. Steel clips can help to keep your roof from flying off your house. A third way to protect your home is to tie your house down with strong cables. These cables are designed to prevent your house from getting picked up by the tornado. All right. On the next page, you have some questions. Okay. Let's read through all the questions first before we answer anything. Okay, so put the pencils down, put them in your in the little straw. You don't need them right now. Question 1 says, what is a spinning column created by a thunderstorm, strong winds called? So what is a spinning column created by a thunderstorm, strong winds? Okay, you have 4 choices. Can we read through them first? Because our test taking strategy says read the questions, read the text, read the questions, read the text, and then answer the questions. Says 2 says the text describes the dangerous forces of tornadoes. Based on the text, what can tornadoes do to houses? Here are your 4 choices. Then it says read these sentences from the text. The ground that the tornado touches is a dangerous place to be. Tornadoes can pick up people, cars, trucks, and houses. Sometimes tornadoes can ruin whole towns. In the United States, towns in Tornado Alley are often hit hard by tornadoes. What can you conclude from these sentences? Okay. So number 1, what is a spinning column created by a thunderstorm, strong winds? Okay. Pick an answer. All right. It says, what is a spinning column created by a thunderstorm, strong winds? What do you guys think? Isn't that the title? Something about tornadoes, right? Isn't that the whole main idea of what the text is about? Tornadoes. All right. It's D then. 2 says the text describes the dangerous force of tornadoes. Based on the text, what can tornadoes do to houses? Pick an answer. Pick an answer. Don't tell me. All right. Is it protect them and keep them safe? Is that what their tornado does? No. To keep it all nice and safe and snuggy? No. To pick them up and destroy them? To blow wind, to blow wind and cool them down? Or spin them around and tie them down? Which one is it? B. Well, look at all the pictures that the packet has. Aren't they destroyed? Yeah. B. It picks them up and destroys them. 3 says, read the sentences from the text. So, okay, let's read them. The ground that the tornado touches is a dangerous place to be. Tornadoes can pick up people, cars, trucks, and houses. Sometimes tornadoes can ruin whole towns. In the United States, towns in Tornado Alley are often hit hard by tornadoes. What can you conclude from these sentences? So based on this, on the sentences that I read, what can you conclude? Tornado Alley in the United States has the most tornadoes in the world. Many cars, houses, and towns have been damaged by tornadoes in Tornado Alley. Tornadoes can move people, cars, and trucks safely to another place. The ground that a tornado touches is low, soft, and flat. Pick an answer. What'd you guys get? Okay, so somebody said A. Tornado Alley in the United States has the most tornadoes in the world. Okay, was it just about that? No, that was only just one sentence. Okay. What else? It says many cars, houses, and towns have been damaged by tornadoes in Tornado Alley. Yes. It tells you that tornadoes can pick up people, cars, trucks, and houses. Tornadoes can ruin whole towns too. Okay, so that's what they have. This and this. That's perfect. And then all of this happens in Tornado Alley, which is hit by hard by tornadoes. So yeah, 3 is B. Look at 4. It says read the sentences from the text. Okay, let's read them. The ground that the tornado touches is a dangerous place to be. It says read the sentences from the text. Well, let's read. The ground that the tornado touches is a dangerous place to be. Tornadoes can pick up people, cars, trucks, and houses. Great. These 3 little dots saying that there's more to the text, but they're going to skip it. And here's what the next sentence. Even though tornadoes have a lot of force, there are ways to protect your home. Based on the text, what is the safest place when a tornado hits? Pick an answer. The answer's in the text, guys. Look. Protect your home. So even though tornadoes have a lot of force, there are ways to protect your home. So based on this, based on the text, where is the safest place when a tornado hits? Does it say protect your car? No. Does it say protect your truck? No. Does it say protect your protect your home? So my answer is C. Inside a protected home. Remember they told you to use those heavy wires to tie it down. Okay. Really? You're gonna first of all. Okay. Look what it says. Look what it says. Sorry, but look what it says. Tornadoes can pick up people, cars, and trucks, right? That's what it says, right? So, do you think it's safe to be inside your car? No. When it's strong enough to pick up your car? No. How about inside your truck? No. Why would you want to be inside your truck knowing that tornadoes pick up trucks? Or under a truck when you know it's going to pick if it's able to pick up a truck, is it going to be able to pick up you? Yes. So based on the fact that they pick up people, cars, and trucks, and there are ways to protect your home, the best answer would be inside a protected home. That's the safest place to be when a tornado hits. And number 5, what is the main idea of the text? Pick an answer. Okay, this is what is the main idea? I'm looking for a main idea, okay? If it's something specific, that's a detail. That's not what I'm looking for. Okay, look at D. Homes can be protected from tornadoes by using steel clips and strong winds. Is that a detail or a main idea? Detail. That's something very specific, huh? It specifically tells you how to protect your home. Okay, so that can be it. Okay, so D is the detail. How about C? The tri-state tornado was the deadliest tornado in the United States, killing 695 people. Detail or main idea?
Detail.
Again, specific information, huh? Plus, they even give you a number. Okay? Okay. Okay, look at C. A thunderstorm, strong winds can pick up water and dust, and it can create a tornado. Detail or main idea?
Detail.
Detail. Again, specific because it tells you how a tornado is formed, right? Okay, now look at A. Tornadoes are destructive, powerful forces, but homes can be protected from them. Okay? Now, does it tell you how the homes are protected? No. Plus, it tells you that tornadoes are destructive and powerful forces. It doesn't tell you how destructive are they. They don't give you specific details. So A is the main idea.